BFM, this is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do stuffed French toast. And it's going to be stuffed with Nutella and strawberries. Guys, if you like strawberries and chocolate, this is going to be wonderful for you. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video. If you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some stuffed French toast. Ingredients for this is very simple. Of course, you gotta have toast or French bread or some type of bread. I'm using an artisanal brioche style bread. It's a little thicker, a little bit more dense, holds up to soaking it a little bit better. So you need that. I got about a cup of milk, a quarter cup of sugar, me using some nutmeg, some vanilla extract or pure vanilla, some ground cinnamon. Of course, I gotta have my Nutella. I got 2 eggs here, a little bit of butter. And if I didn't mention, I'm doing this on the Steelmadeusa griddle. So I'll mention that when I get over to the griddle. You can see how you can get one yourself. But that's pretty much all the ingredients, so let's get started putting this together. So first things first, I want to start with my strawberries here. I want to make sure that they get saturated with all the sugar here. We're going to draw out some of that strawberry moisture out of it. So we're going to take our quarter cup of sugar. We're just going to pour it over the strawberries here. And we're just going to mix them up just so they all can get coated in that sugar. And then we're just going to set this aside. But first, let's mix it up. And you let that sit for a little bit of time, 10-15 minutes, and it'll draw out some of that moisture in the strawberries. That's what we want. Oh, that looks good. Ooh! You know me, I'm going for a little taste. Alright, so we're just going to set these aside, and we'll start mixing up our mixture for the French toast. To begin with, we're just going to pour in a separate bowl, we're going to pour in our cup of milk there. Going to add our 2 eggs. And we're just going to mix those up a little bit. To the mixture, we're going to add about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We're going to add about half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're just going to mix this up. Alright, so we're just going to set that aside. And we're going to get our French toast started here. Alright, so now it's time to kind of compile and make our French bread. French toast, I should say. So, I got 4 pieces of brioche style bread. First thing I'm going to do is grab some Nutella. We're just going to spread that on the brioche. Get it all over it. Just like that. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side of it. Alright. And so then we're just going to add our strawberries right on top of the Nutella. Get 1 layer on there. I don't know why I'm being so fancy having to use a spoon. I could do this with my hands. But Do that with the spoon real quick. Alright, and we're just going to put the other piece of toast right on top of it. So essentially we're just making a sandwich. So we got our Nutella on both sides of the brioche bread and our strawberries in the middle. And let me do this other one, and we're going to go on over to the grill. Alright, so we're over here at the Steelmadeusa griddle. So let me tell you a little bit about the griddle if you don't know already. Steelmadeusa griddle, made here, right here in the great United States. I believe it's done in Kansas. Turn my flame down just a little bit, or my fire down. If you want one of these, all you have to do is go to my description in the link, the description below, and hit the link. It'll take you right over to Steelmadeusa Griddle's website. You order what you want. When you get ready to check out, you put in 5 big tone, the number 5 big tone in the coupon code, and it'll give you the 10% off. So, and just tell them Big Tone sent you. So anyway, we're over here at the griddle. I got it on a medium-low heat. And so I transferred my mixture for my dipping into a flat dish. It's important because it gives you a chance to get everything soaked there. So we're just going to simply dip it into the solution, put it right on the griddle. It's just that simple. So we're going to take one of the sandwiches, so to speak, French toast, and we're just going to dip it in. Don't want it to sit too long. And we're going to turn it over. And we're just going to transfer it to the griddle. Same thing with the next one. And we're going to transfer it right to the griddle. Alright, so it shouldn't take very long, probably about 3 or 4 minutes on either side. We'll flip them over, and we'll get this on a plate for you. Guys, look at that. That looks so good. That nice crust on the outside. Ooh! I've already flipped them over. Let's let these sit for about another 3 or 4 minutes. I'll plate them up for you. There you guys go. Look at that. Oh my God. Put a little bit of strawberries with that strawberry juice that came out on top with a little bit of maple syrup. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. Oh my God. Don't tell me you can't do that at home. Don't tell me. You know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Give me a minute. French toast with Nutella and strawberries. Ooh, let me get that bite. Let me get a little strawberry, a little French toast. Guys, I'm not even a big fan of sweet breakfast, but this is packing a punch, guys. I love it. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, do me a favor. Just go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.